Hi everybody, this is a do-it-yourself video. I'm making this video to show how we can actually diagnose our vehicles, especially the Volkswagen Jetta 2006 MK5 model. We're having some issues with firing, so I want to check what the problem is. But before I do that, I want to wash my car engine because it's really dirty. I bet you don't want to see how dirty this engine is, but I'm going to show you after washing the engine, and then we'll get on with the fuel injector issues or whatever it is that caused the misfiring. So I'll be back shortly in the video. Stay tuned. Engine components thoroughly washed clean. You have to protect that coil from water and the alternator, protected from water. And that manifold out there, the switch needs to be protected. Looking all clean. And that gear section of the oils are gone. And that is the throttle. Everything's looking good. You have to protect the fuse box island. And that over there needs to be protected from water. And so we're going to start using this thing here to check what's up with the nozzles and fix it. Alright guys, I've been able to dismantle the fuel injector manifold. I've been having this issue of engine misfiring, and I suspect that one of the nozzles is not spraying fuel into the cylinder one precisely, or sometimes the other cylinder. So I decided to check which of these nozzles here could be the culprit, but it appears that these nozzles, by visual inspections, they all seem to be working well, but I cannot guarantee that. But there's something here that caught my attention. The nozzle pigtail plugs have got issues. You can see these cables, they are causing a breach, so that could lead to the misfiring of the engine. You can see that clearly. You see that? So when those two cables contact, it causes the issue of the nozzles not spraying the fuel properly. This seems to be a little bit better than the others, but they all need to be worked in. And today's Sunday, we cannot get a shop where we can buy these pigtails, but we can improvise by using an isolation tape to isolate each of these cables. So what we're going to be doing here is to get a razor blade and tear off this wrap covering here, so we can have some space to properly isolate all these cables, and we hope that fixes the misfiring issues. So let's get to work. Okay, here we are. I have been able to isolate these pigtails to make sure there is no more breach or contact, and then I wrapped around here to put that in place so it doesn't go out when the engine is vibrating. So this should hopefully solve the problem. So we want to couple this back, put those things back in, and start the engine. So coupling completed, everything back in place, valve is inserted, and one last thing is to drop this over. And so let us start the engine and see how that goes. Everything appears to be fine. APC light gone, and I think we're all good. We hope the APC doesn't come up again. So. Alright, thank you for watching. And that was the issue that is fixed.